Good morning, my name is Shagun aka David, and today I will be teaching you how to set up Zoom for live streaming on Facebook and YouTube. If you don't know how to set up meeting at all on Zoom, please refer back to my last tutorial on Zoom in a nutshell. Alright, let's kickstart. So I have a meeting coming up on Saturday and I want to set up my Zoom meeting, and I want to be able to live stream during the meeting. So this is the steps I will follow. We'll go into my accounts, click on schedule meeting. But before I click on schedule meeting, I want to be sure I have live streaming activated in my settings. Also, you can only do this on a pro account. So if you don't have a pro account, I'll recommend you upgrade. Alright, settings. So it should be in advanced settings, and if you scroll down, voila, yes, allow live streaming meetings. Live streaming, you can disable it or you can enable it. So in my case, I want to enable it, and click on the checkbox of the social media where you want to live stream to. So you can live stream at the same time to either YouTube or Facebook. If you have an account on YouTube, you can live stream directly to YouTube, and if you have an account on Facebook, you can live stream straight to Facebook, or you can do both at the same time. So I'm going to just click on maybe one of them for now and save. Now we want to schedule our meetings. Go to schedule meeting. So the meeting is on demo, always a demo, and no template needed. It doesn't matter what time, because I'm going to start the meeting right away anyway to show us how it works. And I'm going to save us any gibberish because I've enabled it. We'll just save this meeting and start the meeting. My meeting is starting, and one thing you have to have in mind, make sure you have your Facebook logged in. Whatever social media you're streaming to, whether YouTube or Facebook, make sure you are logged in on it on your browser, so it's easier for you to just integrate to it directly. Okay, open. Yeah, that's my face, and join with audio. Disable my video for now, and this is the Zoom screen. If you look closely, you realize that I have more options here. So if you click on that more option, it's live on Facebook. Let me maximize this. It's under more options, so you click on that. If you don't enable it, then you're not going to see this option here, because we've enabled it. That's why we're able to see it. So we start our meeting. The meeting is ongoing. People are already joining in. The next thing is to just live stream to Facebook. All right, let's do this, and we'll live stream to live stream. All right. So it's asking us. So what timeline do you want to do? I will do it to a page that I manage. I have so many pages that I manage, but I'll do it to my YouTube Facebook page. So next, it's loading, it's connecting to Facebook Live, and voila, and you can see Lumbe Zoom, we're there. So you can say try live producer. What is that? Fantastic features Facebook has introduced. Next, show you next, done. Ready to go live, schedule, or go live. So we're going live, go live, and we're live. So you can assign moderators, you can assign on Facebook. And I will end this meeting on Facebook now. Thank you. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, my Facebook page. If you search for Segun Olumbe on Facebook, you're gonna see my page there. You can like. I have any of my updates, any of my new videos. I make sure I post them on Facebook as well, and on my Twitter, Segun Olumbe. And yeah, that is how to set up Zoom for live streaming on Facebook. Maybe we should touch base on YouTube as well. Alright, let's end this meeting. Come around, because we've ended the meeting. We can go to settings again, advanced settings, and let's enable YouTube. Save. So if we go back to meetings, and let's start the meeting. Open Zoom. Now if I click on more, you can see I have YouTube and Facebook. Now we're streaming to YouTube. So it's asking me, do you want to enable YouTube? Yes, blah 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 blah. Read the terms and conditions, please. Allow. And then allow. And this will take you to your YouTube directly straight. No question asked. But I don't think I want to do that, so I'm gonna cancel this. But that's all you need to do to zoom straight to YouTube. So voila. If you have any question, please drop me comment in the comment section below. And that ends on how to set up your Zoom for live streaming. If you have any question whatsoever, please drop me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share among friends and family, and thank you. Thank you everyone for supporting this channel. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for hitting the like button, and thank you for hitting the bell signs. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the likes button on all the videos.